everyone, welcome back to my channel Visionary Varsha. Today we are diving into a very powerful topic, how we can program our subconscious mind to learn English. If you have been struggling with fluency, confidence or memory, session can change the way you approach learning English forever. So stay with me till the end. Understanding the subconscious mind. First, let's understand what the subconscious mind is. Your subconscious mind controls 95% of your habits, thoughts, and behaviors. It stores everything you have learned, every word you have heard, every experience you have had when it comes to learning English. If your subconscious mind is programmed correctly, speaking English becomes natural and automatic, just like speaking your native language. The problem is many people consciously want to learn English, but their subconscious mind is still filled with fear, hesitation, and self doubt. So, truly learn English, we need to reprogram our subconscious mind. First, why traditional learning often fails. Many of us focus only on conscious learning, memorizing grammar rules, vocabulary lists, or textbook phrases, but when it's time to speak, we freeze. Why? Because our subconscious mind hasn't accepted English as normal yet. That's why, even after years of studying, many learners can't speak fluently. The key is to shift English from your conscious mind into your subconscious habit system. Okay, how to program your subconscious mind? Practical steps. Now, let's talk about the practical steps to program your subconscious mind for English fluency. Step number 1, affirmations. Start using English affirmations every morning. For instance, I speak English fluently and naturally. Number 2, English flows easily from my mind. Number 3, I'm confident and relaxed while speaking English. Speak these sentences loudly every day. This conditions your subconscious mind to believe that you are already good at English. And next, visualization. Close your eyes and visualize yourself speaking English fluently. Imagine you are having a smooth conversation with a native speaker. Imagine people appreciating your English. Visualizations create mental blueprint in your subconscious. And next is surround yourself with English. Create an English environment. Listen to English podcasts. Watch English videos. Think in English. The more your brain hears and processes English, the more familiar and automatic it becomes for your subconscious mind. And next, emotional connection. When you practice English, connect positive emotions with it. Excitement, pride, happiness. If you associate English with fear, anxiety, your subconscious will resist. If you associate it with fun and growth, your subconscious will accept it faster. And next, repetition and consistency. Your subconscious mind loves repetition. Practice English daily, even if it's just speaking 5 sentences a day. Consistency is the secret sauce to programming your mind. And now, bonus tip. Here are a few bonus tips to strengthen your subconscious. Programming, record your voice speaking English and listen to it daily. Number 2, journal in English at night to end your day in English mode. Next, use English self-talk during routine tasks like now I am making tea, now I am going for a walk, now I am talking with you. Simple but powerful. Now to summarize it. Learning English isn't just about studying harder. It's about programming your subconscious to accept English as a natural part of your life. If you follow these steps daily, affirmations, visualization, immersion, emotional connection, and consistency, you will find yourself speaking English naturally without overthinking. So, thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, and tell me in the comments which step are you going to start today. And the quote for the learners is, your mind is garden, your thoughts are seeds. You can grow flowers or you can grow weeds. So choose wisely. Plant your English fluency in your mind today. So thank you for watching. We'll meet again with another one video that make you confident and that will give you confidence that you can speak English. Till then, bye bye. Take care.